Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be making a natural detoxifying and immune boosting drink, which is also known as a miracle juice. This juice is called ABC juice. A stands for apple, B stands for beetroot, and C stands for carrot. This juice is loaded with a lot of vitamins and minerals. For more benefits of this juice, check out my description box below. Let's go into making of the juice. So here I have prepared the ingredients we're using. As I mentioned earlier, we are using apple, beetroot, and carrot. I've washed them, peeled the beetroot and the carrots, washed all of them thoroughly, and then chopped them into tiny bits so that it will be able to blend well in the blender. I'm also going to add a little ginger to it and a lemon, about a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. We add everything into the blender. I'm starting with the apple, the cut apple, add into the blender, add the beetroot, and also add the carrots into the blender. Add the ginger and squeeze in the lemon juice, and then add some water and blend them together.